Welcome to my channel. I love to share things like hardwares that I'm using for my workflow, just like this one. And also lighting, cameras, everything I'm doing to build side income on YouTube and building digital products while working full-time. So this has been my lifelong dream of becoming an entrepreneur. I always love the idea of owning my own business, owning the directions of my life, and being the captain of my boat. But reality hits. I need to get a job. I moved from Brazil to Australia, and here I managed to get a job, I managed to become a PR and now a citizen, and I even built my own business. Of course, it didn't went very well, but at least I learned one thing or two. And I'm very proud of all these mistakes, but also very nice decisions that I took because they have taught me so many things that I'm forever grateful, and I think I've changed a lot. I started doing videos frequently since 2021 to 2022, I think the beginning of 2022 to be more specific, and I didn't stop since then. And one thing I can tell you, I was scared, I felt judged, I got people laughing at me like, why you're doing these videos, or you know, like your posts don't get any likes, why you keep doing. But the thing is, your vision is your vision. You should believe in yourself, and the most important, you should never give up. This channel, I'm doing exactly for you. Someone who is working full-time, but at the end of the day, you want to make your side income because you don't want to fully rely on a job. Everyone knows there's no such thing as job stability. It's always nice to have a side income, make some money from it, and live your life. So in this channel, I will share about hardwares that I use, such as this microphone, as well workflows that I'm using to improve my life, because I work full-time, I teach, and I also do these YouTube videos, so I'll share how I'm doing my workflow and how I'm organizing my life. I can do this and still have a partner and still have a life with friends and be able to go to the gym. I want to share how I'm trying to maximize the things in my life, but without burning out or without feeling super exhausted, because that's not my goal. My goal is not being someone who works 18 hours a day, but it's to be someone who can work 10 hours or 8 hours, but super productive and get the things done and be able to relax and watch a movie in the end of the day if I want to. So that's the kind of life that I want. I'll be just honest and this raw over here, because I want to share my videos like I'm talking to a friend, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I hope you like this channel and welcome.